everyone, welcome back to Hungry Republic. It's officially fall, and you know what that means. Cozy vibes, warm flavors, and of course, delicious fall appetizers. Today, I'm sharing one of my all-time favorites, caramelized onion and goat cheese crostini. These little bites of heaven are the perfect way to kick off any autumn gathering. And trust me, they'll disappear faster than you can say pumpkin spice.
Let's start with the essentials. You'll need a fresh baguette, some creamy goat cheese, and of course, caramelized onions.
If you've never made caramelized onions before, don't worry. I'll walk you through it, step by step.
First, let's slice up our onions. We're going for thin slices here so they cook evenly and turn that beautiful golden brown color.
Now, heat up some olive oil in a pan on medium-low heat. Add your onions, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of honey.
Pro tip, patience is key here. We're going low and slow, so let them cook for about 30 minutes. The goal, sweet, rich, caramelized perfection. Just look at that. The onions are soft, sweet, and packed with flavor. They're the star of this dish. All right, now that our onions are perfectly caramelized, it's time to put everything together. Grab your baguette and slice it into thin rounds. Then drizzle a little olive oil on each slice and pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or until they're crispy and golden. While those are toasting, spread a generous layer of goat cheese on each crostini. Now for the fun part. Pile those caramelized onions on top of the goat cheese. These are rich, sweet, and perfectly balanced with the tangy goat cheese. Trust me, this combo is a game changer. For that final touch, sprinkle some fresh thyme on top and drizzle a bit of balsamic reduction. The herbiness of the thyme and the sweetness of the balsamic add a whole new layer of flavor. Can you smell it? So good. Fall perfection. These crostini are the perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy, all on a crispy golden baguette base. Seriously, your guests will love them. All right, folks, if you're ready to impress at your next fall gathering, this caramelized onion and goat cheese crostini is the way to go. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more fall-inspired recipes like this, hit that subscribe button.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.